Now let's look at importing or restoring that data back into Cabinet Vision, whether that's back onto your own computer as a backup or onto another computer you've just installed Cabinet Vision on. To do this, we first need to find that folder that we backed up before, whether that's still in the automatic backups folder of the original computer, or if you've saved it to an external hard drive or a server. We'll take that file and we're going to copy it back to the computer we want to restore it on, into our Cabinet Vision folder, and then Solid 12, and then Automatic Backups. Now that we have this copied, we'll go back to our Solid 12 folder, and instead of looking for the CV backup application, we want to find cvrestore.exe. You can identify this by the icon shown on the screen. Again, we'll right-click cvrestore.exe and select Run as Administrator. This again allows the application to write to all the areas of our Cabinet Vision database that it requires. From here, you'll see a full list of the backups that are available in the Automatic Backups folder. If you made sure to select the Use Backup Comments as folder name, then your backup should appear with the name you gave it. Otherwise, it'll probably just appear with the time and date. Once you've selected the correct backup and it's highlighted on the left, you'll be able to decide which elements of the backup you wish to import into your database. You can do this by ticking the boxes next to each item. It's important to remember that this process will override any existing information in your database. For example, if we select the CX Materials file to restore, then any materials that you've created after the backup was created will be removed. This is one of the reasons that regular backups are a very important aspect of managing your Cabinet Vision database. Once you've selected the files you wish to restore from the backup, simply click OK and allow the application to run until complete. Well, congratulations on making it through your e-learning training. Take some time now to go back over all the subjects if there's anything you're not quite feeling comfortable with yet, and keep in mind all the videos are still available to continue watching. Once you're feeling comfortable, jump across to our final chapter. We'll set you up ready to do your final project and get you finished on your e-learning journey.